Hello everybody, welcome to Tina's Messy Crafty Life. This is Tina with the 2024 31 Day Smashbook Challenge, Day 21. It is seasons. And I bet you all thinking, oh, what is she going to pick? Christmas, Halloween, winter, spring, summer, fall, Easter? Because I know what everybody's seasons are. You have the Christmas season, then you have the Easter season, and then you have 4th of July. You know, there are all little things in each season, holiday-wise. But guess what? You would be mistaken! So, right now I like this song by one band that I like, and it is actually called Seasons. So that's why I decided to go this route. Boom! It is 30 Seconds to Mars song Season, and I printed out the lyrics, and then I printed out a picture of Shannon and Jared Leto, and put that down on the bottom. And so I want you all to go over, when you're done watching this, go over and listen to the song, go 30 Seconds to Mars, Seasons, and what a lyric thing will come up with them singing. He's the singer, he's the lead vocal, and Shannon's the drummer. So go over and check them out. I like their music. So, as always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.